Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are in Westport. It's a nice day, so we just thought of just coming and exploring this Westport house and gardens here, and after that we'll go and see a little bit of Westport town as well. And yeah, let's go. So towards the left is day visitors where we have to go, and towards this side is the caravan and camping park. So ticketing area is here, so you have to go and take the ticket from here. So this ticketing area is for this pirate adventure park, so you don't have to go and check the ticket now again. Some restaurants are here. Nice restaurants. So this is the estate map. Westport house under restoration, temporarily closed. Westport hotel. Yeah, where we are here now, this area. Golf course, tiny, a lot of places. There's a lake, quite a big area, adventure park. But for that we had to take a ticket. Good. There are some rules here. Advance permission is required to fly drone cameras. You need to email at this address before that. So, welcome to the Westport house. Found him. Chicha. Here they are. The lake എവിടെയാ? It's under restoration. You can see that. I think there's a lake there. It's like a dam, a small waterfall there. Nice bridge. This is the Westport house. It's closed. Small duck there. Look there are some swan pedal boats. So I had to take a ticket for that, about €5. And yeah, it would be nice for the kids. So I had to take the ticket for the swan pedal boat from this coffee wagon.
There's your change, and just show that when you get down to the swan and the train.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you, bye. So got the ticket for that. For the swan pedal is €5 per person, and child under 3 years is for free. And for the train, €4 per person. They're already waiting in the queue. Nobody's going beyond that. This is shallow. It's not deep at all. Ooh. It's very hot. The sun is very harsh. So now we'll go and take a ride in the train. That's the Westport house. It's under restoration, so we couldn't see that. Thank you very much. We kept the bag and all there itself. But if I were in India, I would never do that because when I come back, nothing would be there. Train station. Oh, it's coming now. Okay. So, on the board now. This is the private adventure park. For that, we have to take the ticket separately. Oh, someone's waiting.
No ice creams.
No ice creams? Finished? Thank you. Look at this landscape here. It's amazing. So Richard is on my shoulder now. Now we are going back. Just go and see Westport town a little bit, and we're going to stay in one of our friends' house, and we'll go and sleep. And tomorrow morning we will go to Keam Beach and Ackle Island. So that's the plan. It's finished service. So it closes at 6 p.m. Now on the way back, we'll just stop by Westport town and I'll show you Westport town a little bit, and then we'll bring an end to this video. Alright, so I'll know in a minute, okay? That's an Indian restaurant, but it looks like a church. I think the church is sold to the restaurant. It's the town. Isn't it lovely? Chicken just full. It's beautiful, isn't it? church coming, man. So thank you for watching. So next you can watch Akil Island and Kim Bay in the next video. Okay, so thank you, see you later. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment down your opinion. Please guys, give it as many likes and comments as you can, because that will really help the channel grow, because this crazy YouTube algorithm works in favor of those videos which get more likes and comments. So please do me a favor by giving your likes. Give us some love, please. Thank you.